Finding the best 4-quart slow cooker can feel harder than it should be. The best 4-quart slow cooker is perfect for small families, meal prep, and cozy weeknight dinners without wasting food. I've tested several in my own kitchen, from chili on game day to Sunday pot roast, and I've learned what really matters beyond the box claims. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. All product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 4-quart slow cooker stainless steel. The Hamilton Beach 4-quart slow cooker stainless steel is a simple and reliable pick for easy home meals. I like using it on busy weekdays when I just want to turn a dial and walk away. The 3 heat settings make it easy to cook on low, high, or keep warm without stress. The dial control knob feels old school in a good way. No screens, no guesswork. The 4-quart size is great for small US families. It fits a 4-pound chicken or a small roast with room to spare. The stoneware crock lifts out, so serving at the table feels easy and natural. I also like that the crock can go in the oven or microwave. Cleanup is simple, since the lid and crock are dishwasher safe. It runs at 195 watts, so it cooks gently and evenly. If you want timers or digital controls, this is not it, but for basic slow cooking, it works very well. Number 4. Cuisinart 7-quart 4-in-1 Cook Central Multi-Cooker. The Cuisinart 7-quart 4-in-1 Cook Central Multi-Cooker is a strong choice for large family meals and holiday cooking. I like using it when I need more space for soups, roasts, or big batches of stew. The 4-in-1 cooking lets me slow cook, roast, brown, or steam in one pot. That saves time and cuts down on dishes. The 500-degree Fahrenheit searing power is great for browning meat before slow cooking, which adds deep flavor. The blue backlit screen is easy to read, even in a busy kitchen. The 7-quart size works well for big US family dinners or game day meals. The non-stick pot lifts out and goes in the dishwasher, which helps after heavy use. It is large and weighs almost 19 pounds, so it needs space on the counter. It also costs more than basic slow cookers. Still, for power and size, it delivers great results. Number 3. Crock-Pot 4-quart Cook and Carry Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 4-quart Cook and Carry Slow Cooker is made for busy days and meals on the go. I like using it when I take chili to a friend's house or bring pulled pork to a game night. The locking lid seal keeps food from spilling in the car, which gives real peace of mind. The travel-proof lid feels secure and tight, even on bumpy roads. The digital display is simple and easy to read. I can set the time, then let it cook without stress. The 4-quart size is great for small US families or small potlucks in the US. The stainless steel finish looks clean and classic on the counter. The stoneware and lid are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is not a chore. It is a bit heavier at 10 pounds, so keep that in mind. Still, for travel and easy meals, it works very well. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 4-quart Programmable Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 4-quart Programmable Slow Cooker is a reliable choice if you want the best 4-quart slow cooker with timer for easy family meals. I like how simple it feels to use. You can pick from 15 program options and set 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours with low, high, or warm. It switches to warm on its own, which helps a lot on busy workdays. I can start dinner in the morning and come home to hot chili or a tender 4-pound chicken. The 4-quart size works well for small US families or potlucks. The stoneware crock and lid go right in the dishwasher, so cleanup is quick. The full grip handles make it easy to carry to a party. It runs at 215 watts, so it cooks gently, not fast. If you need high heat searing, this is not it, but for steady, hands-off cooking, it does the job well. Number 1. Instant Pot Rio Mini 7-in-1 Multi-Cooker. The Instant Pot Rio Mini 7-in-1 multi-cooker is a smart pick if you want a compact, best 4-quart slow cooker that also does much more. I love how it fits in small kitchens and dorm spaces, yet still makes enough chili or rice for 4 people. The 7-in-1 design means I can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, or even make yogurt without pulling out extra pots. It cooks fast too, and the 70% faster cook time really helps on busy weeknights. The touch controls are simple, and the progress bar makes it easy to see what's going on. The rose water color adds a soft, modern look that feels fresh in a US-style kitchen. Cleanup is easy with the stainless steel pot. The only downside is 800 watts, so it's not ideal for very large cuts of meat. Still, for small families or meal prep, it works great. Final verdict. After testing all of these, I personally recommend the Instant Pot Rio Mini 7-in-1 multi-cooker as the best overall product. It's versatile, cooks fast, and handles a bunch of functions in one compact unit. It's great for everyday meals, busy nights, or when you want more than just a slow cooker. If you want a more budget-friendly and straightforward choice, I recommend the Hamilton Beach 4-quart programmable slow cooker. It's easy to use, has plenty of programmable options, and makes set-and-forget cooking simple. Both are solid picks, but choose what fits your kitchen style and needs. Check the link in the description for current prices and more details, and pick the slow cooker that suits you best.